Here I have an Encore 34-inch twin blade mower. In my personal opinion, this is something of a gem in the used mower market, as it has 258 operating hours, was garage kept, and will come with its original owner's manual. This has a fabricated deck, a 15 horsepower engine, and a flap for its mulch kit. Very easy to attach. Standard wheelbase for residential mowers, but everything is in phenomenal condition. Seats, grips, engine, and all. Let's go ahead and get it started. To get this mower operational, we have to have our parking brake set. This is disengaged, engaged. Our blades need to be off. This is our ignition. Our choke position is forward beyond full throttle, and then we can pull it back to full throttle. Our arms have to be fully extended. Let's get it started. Runs without smoke. You have to disengage the brake to pull the arms in and begin driving. Otherwise, a safety switch will kill the engine. Deck height works on this pin. This is overall a great mower. It cuts well. I did miss a gap, but that's a user error trying to record.